how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's a new hair, it's a new me, it's a new month. Happy Independence Day to all my 9 job fam out there. As you can see, I'm wearing green eyeshadow. That was not intentional. I did not plan that, but I'm represented, right? This hair was sent to me by the company called UNice or UNice hair. A couple specs about the hair before I jump into how it was installed. It was installed by the lovely Evanda here in Dallas. So the hair I'm wearing is Peruvian straight. It is a frontal that's 18 inches, and then they sent me 3 bundles, but I only used 2.5 bundles of 18 inches again. On the rest of my hair, so it is a sew-in. So below in the description box I will have the direct link to the hair if you're interested in buying it. They have a wide variety of things. If you're interested in curly, straight, wavy, whatever the case may be, they've got it. And as far as how the hair is holding up, I have had this in since Saturday, and today is Tuesday, so it's only been a couple of days. So far I have no problems. It doesn't shed a lot, but again, it's only been about 3 days. It holds a curl, it straightens nicely, there's minimal shedding, and the luster and the body and the flow is just, I'm here for it. So before I keep rambling on, let's just jump into the installment of this unit.